Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ingsun Sukmayadatu, number 72. I will present my research methodology with the title Hazard Identification of Confined Space Work on Ship Repairing using GSA and Hirarc methods. The first is the background of research. In 2023, the number of cases of work accident in Indonesia researched 30,000 for 77,047 cases. The recording of work accident according to the type of BPJS employment membership in the first semester and the second semester of 2023 recorded that in the second semester of 2023 recorded more accident cases than in the first semester of 2023. And the job that has a high risk is a confined space work. Confined space is a space large enough to allow worker to enter and perform tasks in it. And one case of accident in Blokrokan, three workers died in a waste container. Confined space have a possible two risks of occupational uh, accident and occupational disease. Workers have the right to work in a safe, comfortable, and secure environment. To prevent accident in confined space work, it is necessary to identify the hazard of confined space work on ship repairing using the GSA and Hirarc methods. The next is problem statement and research purpose. Statement 1 is how to identify the hazard of confined space work on ship repairing using GSA and Hirarc methods. Statement 2, what are the recommendations for prevention and remediation of occupational accident based on the hazard identification and risk assessment previously conducted? And then purpose 1 is capable to identify the hazard of confined space work on ship repairing using GSA and Hirarc methods. Then purpose 2 is capable to provide recommendation for the prevention and correction of work accident based on hazard identification and risk assessment that have been carried out previously. And then the next is research benefit. Number one, for society, share knowledge about the science and the culture of occupational safety and healthy that has been carried out during lectures to be applied by the community. Number two, for student, can implement the knowledge gained during lectures. Number two, as a fulfillment in completing the assignment in semester 4. Number three is provide useful information for reader and add insight in developing knowledge related to work safety. Number three, for companies as material for reviewing and providing preventive and corrective action for company management to work in the work environment. Then is the next is study literature, hazard, risk, hazard identification risk, assessment and risk control or hierarchy, job safety analysis or GSA, then confined space. Then this is the flow chart is start and study literature as the field study, data collecting stage, primary data and secondary data. Then hazard identification with GSA and Hirarc methods, analysis risk level, and the conclusion and suggestion, then finish. That's complete my presentation today. I said thank you for the attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.